What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm, providing you one inspiration at a time. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. For those of you who are coming back, thank you very much for your support. I do appreciate it.
People, today I am going to share a natural juice with you that will help to reduce inflammation in your body and detoxify in the same time. So for my juice this morning, I'll be using beetroots, apple, cucumber, ginger, lemon, and parsley. So to get this started, I'm going to go ahead and I am going to wash and cut my fruits for my juicer. Before I go, I want to say a big shout out to those persons who have checked out my membership. I really appreciate you and thank you so very much for supporting me on this journey. See you soon. I then wash all my ingredients. No, it's not use them. So I'll be using my Aco. That's how you pronounce it, juicer. I find it's really good. Juice. This is the amount of liquid I got from all the fruits and vegetables that I just blended. Just gonna give it a stir. Look how rich that color is. And this is all natural, no water added. So let me just pour it in my cup. This is what I'm gonna have this morning, guys. So you can give this a try to reduce inflammation in your body and to detoxify. Remember that parsley, apple, ginger, and lemon are all great foods full of nutrition with detoxifying supporting properties, to include the beetroot, right? So the beets, if you want to know more about beets are specifically known for their aiding detoxing property, and a lot of anti-inflammatory nutrients in there. So guys, you can give this a try. Let me know if you like it. And when you're juicing, try to use a juicer instead of a blender. You get more nutrients from your product. Bye for now. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm. Thank you so very much for tuning in with me this Friday morning. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and check out my membership if you have not yet done so. Bye.